Syllaby is an AI-powered platform that simplifies the creation of professional videos, making it ideal for marketers, educators, and content creators. Key features include AI script generation, transform topics into structured scripts tailored to your brand's tone and audience. Faceless and avatar videos, produce videos without appearing on camera using AI-generated avatars and voice cloning, ensuring privacy and professionalism. Integrated video editor, edit videos seamlessly with tools for trimming, adding text, and applying effects. Syllaby content calendar and scheduling, plan and automate video releases across platforms like YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. Analytics dashboard, monitor engagement metrics to refine content strategies. Who is Syllaby ideal for? Syllaby caters to a wide range of industries, including real estate, education, healthcare, and e-commerce, providing tailored video solutions to enhance brand presence. With its user-friendly interface and comprehensive features, Syllaby empowers users to create, edit, and share high-quality videos efficiently, making it a valuable tool for anyone looking to enhance their video content creation process. Want to try Syllaby for free? I'll leave the link for a free trial in this video's description. Simply cancel your trial if you don't like Syllaby, so you have nothing to lose. I'll include a bonus code in the description as well, if one is available. Thanks for taking the time to watch this.